Because for the last more than 6 years, me along with my team members, we were envisioning something to come up with this kind of content. And being a parent, being a father, and many of our people in my age, we have children. So the way we see in the society, and then of course due to the pandemic, COVID pandemic, and we really have come to understand and internalize how much the accessibility of education is very important for our people, and especially to our children. Now at this age, at this current time, and we all of us know that what His Majesty is envisioning for our country. If we are to achieve and realize that potential, education and the skilling part and the grooming, mentoring, guiding our young people is extremely important. This is what I feel, honestly. And then on the other side, what we see is the realities of today. Because of the onslaught of the technology, because of the onslaught of the internet, the way our young children are consuming the content on internet, to some extent is quite disturbing. And for us as a Educare, the way I see, the way we want to put the content accessible but very dignified, something me as a father, a parent, an elder in a society can feel proud, can feel comfortable when our children access the content on the internet. If you see young people, for n number of hours they are on the smartphone, or either they are hooked on the TV screen. What if, because there's no way we can take away the technology from the people, make the availability, the options of having amazing content and by putting in the hands of our young children. This is what we have been envisioning for the last more than 6 years. Because at iBest, we truly care, like any sensible citizen, any deserving citizen of our His Majesty King. We will ensure, we will commit, we will never ever give up on this mission. And I'll say so, why? Because if we do not, if elders like us, if our people, sensible people, whether you are a private individual, whether you are a public individual, whether you are a teacher, parent, elder, sister, brother, whoever you are, if we miss this bus, what we cannot gain out of that is the time that we have lost in the process to groom our future citizens. And today, if we really look in the society, in the country, it's very difficult and hard to find a very competent, skillful young people in the market. Maybe we have missed something in the process. Maybe we have gone somewhere, something wrong. But I'm saying, what if through this Educare Skill, which is like a small drop in the ocean, it's a small initiative from our end, through this Educare initiative, we put and have the best of the best teacher available, accessible to more than 200,000 young kids who are studying in the primary schools till the higher secondary schools. Imagine that. We have this limitless potentials. This is what I feel. This is how I see. Now today it has come here. Today is here. For that, we would like to appeal, request the support of every individuals out here to help us, to support us towards realizing that vision, that dream, that purpose.